Hi there, it's Paul from Paul Ryan Design, and today we are talking about online reviews. And if you are a customer of mine, I'm sure that we've had this discussion already, but we're going to go ahead and real quickly have it again. So that is this. Google reviews, or reviews in general, but let's talk about Google reviews today. They are 20% of your website's ranking. Reviews that are 90 days old have almost zero effect on a person who are reading your reviews. They think they are too old. And Google is responsible for over 92% of the search traffic in the US. So just from those few statistics, you know it's terribly important for small local shops to get Google reviews so that they can stay competitive. And one way to do that is through ReviewBox. And ReviewBox is a system that I have set up for my clients to make it easy for their staff and their technicians to get reviews, whether that is through Google or HomeAdvisor or Angie's List or whatnot. So I'm going to walk you through the system today. Show you how it interacts with your staff as well as your customers. It's very easy. I set this up for my existing clients, so if you're interested, that portion of it is very simple, and it's a very seamless handoff to your staff. So let's go ahead and get started. So right up here, we're at the dashboard and the funnel, and you would get all of this information once you sign up. You get an email from me, you change the password, and you can access the dashboard of ReviewBox. So in links here, this is just the basic information about the company. And then in this instance, this company that I'm dealing with is a company that I set up earlier today, Sterling Sound and Vision. And obviously they're one of my existing clients, and they want to concentrate on getting more Google reviews. They actually don't have any at this point. And so what we are doing right now for the immediate future is we are going to put a laser focus on Google reviews. But once we get to a certain point, let's say 30 or 40 reviews, then we are going to start to fan that out to other things. So what I mean by that is right here I have got Google set up, but if I wanted to add, say for example, Angie's List or Yellow Pages, or if they have a popular YouTube channel, we could do it there. Or if I wanted to do Houzz or HomeAdvisor, everything that you can possibly imagine is in here. So it makes it very simple. And again, I set all of that stuff up for you. Right here in the notification section are all of the staff members of your company that will be notified when a review comes through. And then if we want to stay in touch or get a little bit more social with our clients, we can ask them to like us on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram here. Okay, so that is links. Let's scoot on over to content. Content is all of the content, the text that you would see in there, or not you, but your customer would see in here when they're giving you a review. So for example, help us help others is right over here. And then please take a moment is right here. And then we get right here. This is where ReviewBox really shines. So how should visitors be directed? So what we've chosen is 4 stars or more. They will be directed to Google to leave the review. If they decide they want to give 3 stars or less, they will be directed to a ReviewBox form where they can still leave a review. However, that review does not go public, but it still gets sent to your staff and they can address, any issues, whether they're valid or not. So I'll show you an example of that. So if I say at 4 stars, I'm going to click that. It shows me the Google, and if we did Angie's List or Houzz or whatever, they would be here as well. But again, we're concentrating strictly on Google right now. So if I click this, going to say, okay, we're going to review us on Google, and it will direct them right here to Google. Very simple. Now, if they decide they're going to give us 3 stars or less, This changes to just a form that they fill out, which then ends up here in the review section of your ReviewBox dashboard. Again, so you can address those issues with your clients and your staff. Private messages is right here. We strive for 100% satisfaction, and if you do not wish to have concerns in here, post a review. All of this stuff is right in here. Okay, and then set up. And again, I set all of this stuff up for my clients to make it for a very seamless handoff. Sterling Sound and Vision, Sterling Reviews, their logo, and right here, I set these up on a subdomain. So the way your clients would get these, you would say just go to reviews.sterlingsv.com, and there it is. And they can do that on their phone, they can do that on their desktop, or there are a bunch of other ways right here. So we've got widgets. Here are widgets that we can add to the website, and this will show the most recent reviews that you've received. Here are some email signature snippets that you can add into your email signatures just by copy to clipboard right here. Your technicians could take a picture of this QR code and then share that with your customers by just holding it up to their phone. When the existing customer has their, opens up their camera, and then the QR code will work. Or a member of your staff can do it directly through invite. So you can do from name, which would in our case be Sterling SV, from email, which would be a company email of yours, and then reply email, if they wanted to reply back, would be an additional company email. You can also set up to do phone or text. After 200 messages per month, there's an additional charge of 2 cents per message. So we give you a lot of different options to reach out to customers. So that's funnel, widgets, invites. Let's go to reviews. Reviews, this is where all of the reviews that you would get would live. And these are where you can, look at them, read them, manage them. And reporting, this will show you your overall online reputation based on the reviews that ReviewBox is calculating for you. You can add as many users from your company as you see fit for this, and that's it. It's pretty simple. The way this works is it is $99 per month. There's no contract. There is a $49 setup fee if you want me to set it up for you. If you don't want me to set it up for you, I'm happy to hand it off. But for $49, I set it all up for you and hand it over. So it makes it very simple. If you're interested in ReviewBox, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at hello@paulryandesign.com, and we can get you started. It generally takes me just a couple of hours to get everything going for you. Thanks.